Hello there. Okay, so as you know, in today's video, we are going to be showing you a way to get money. Okay, so basically, how you're going to do it is, first step, you are going to get a crowbar, then you're going to get a shredder, and then you're going to get goop. And when you do that, you're going to get the goop on top of the crowbar, like that, and then get the shredder onto the crowbar. And now you have your thing to earn money. Okay, and then what I normally get is, you can get anything, but I'm gonna get a grappler to go there faster. You can get a pogo stick, a teleport gun, anything. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Okay, when you get to the mine part, you're gonna go straight there. Oh, okay. And when you go over here, you don't want to bring some lights, because if the angler sees you, you're like dead. But if you do want to bring some lights, make sure to bring a weapon. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, we're going to get the shredder. Hold on. Off this, and then can hit the things with the crowbar like this, and then you can see one gives a lot. Now let's just mine all of them. Okay, and when you do that, you're gonna attach everything back, and it's gonna give you a lot more reach. See that? You can just grab them like this. Oh, almost. See, they give a lot. I'm just gonna shred every single one. And for me, that's the fastest way to get money. So yeah guys, this is the way, and that's going to be the end of the video. And just so you know, one filtrator gives 7,000 nuts. Oh no, 8,000 nuts. And thank you for watching, and I hope this will help you out a lot. Make sure to subscribe. Bye!